Sola. Precision for professionals. In harmony with the laws of nature, this little bubble level is in use on every construction site in the world, a must for every craftsman on the job. From the legendary Big X spirit level and the coordinate marking level to the Trigon high-tech rotation laser, Sola knows what construction professionals need. Lifetime precision through the highest production standards at Sola. Sola, measuring and marking for construction. Precision in manufacturing means precision in use. Sola products are distinguished by the highest standards and continuous quality control in production. The centerpiece of every spirit level is the Sola Precision Vial. Every single part, from the plastic granulate to the board vial to the patented ink ring, is manufactured in Vorarlberg, made in Austria. For over 60 years, Sola has invested continuously in research and development. This guarantees high precision measuring results with easy-to-use products. Each Sola product is checked for accuracy and performance, both mechanically and by the Sola production team. Error rate virtually zero. Cheaper labour devices may save money in the short term. In the long term, however, this causes delays and poor quality, and thus higher costs. The precision of a Sola spirit level is guaranteed in every position, in both normal and inverted measuring positions. Sola's experience in manufacturing spirit levels influences the construction of its high-tech laser range. Each laser is extensively checked and tested during and after production. Lasers are used in many professional applications, therefore they appeal to a wide variety of different trades. No job in the world is harder than construction. Nowhere else are people and materials put under such stress. Professional tools must be durable over many years. The above-average profile strength of a Sola spirit level, along with a patented vial construction and the super-strong shock-absorbing end caps, all goes to make Sola spirit levels an indispensable partner in the professional construction. Sola products really do last a lifetime, making it difficult for most users to give up their tried and trusted Sola product. Sola products are renowned for their precision and endurance. Sola tools are used over generations. Sola offers a 30-year guarantee on its vials due to the advanced production technology. Innovation is the cornerstone of successful business development. Some of the many innovations from Sola during the past few years include the acrylic block vial, which are ultrasonically welded and unbreakable, with pin-sharp ink jet rings and the uniquely patented coordinate marking level. Great design on the outside, with high-tech on the inside. Tools can only be developed in close cooperation with professional end users. In this way, products such as the patented FCL floor cross laser or the rotation laser Trigon are developed for high precision and easy use. Sola have an ongoing program of innovations. Precision, robustness, and innovation are the foundation of Sola's outstanding quality. Sola, precision for professionals.